On today's episode of Learning About a Drug, we are going to talk about statin drugs. Now, statin drugs are used to treat your LDL and your cholesterol. And if you don't know what your LDL is, that's what they call your bad cholesterol. So, what these ultimately, when they put you on a statin, they're trying to lower your risk for a heart attack or stroke. So ultimately, what the statin does is it lowers the chance of producing cholesterol in your liver. So statins is one of the #1 prescribed medications for cholesterol. So I'm going to go over the different types of ones that there are. So first we have, this is probably the most common one that you've seen, and it's the generic for Lipitor, and it's called atorvastatin. Now it comes in 10 milligram, 20, 40, and 80 milligram tablets. So that's probably one of the most popular ones that you've seen. Next, we have simvastatin, which is also a statin that is generic for Zocor. It's been on the market for a while, and it comes in 10 milligrams, 20, 40, and 80 milligrams as well. Now, this one just became a generic. It used to be Livalo, and it would come in 1 milligram, 2 milligram, and 4 milligram, and now it's called pitavastatin. I may have butchered that, but that's one of the, I think it's one of the ones that's supposed to be the most effective now because it's newer. All right, the next one we have is the rosuvastatin. Now, it comes in 5, 10, 20, and 40 milligrams. Now, this is one of the newer ends. A lot of times, this is the one I've seen that's prescribed a lot. It used to be atorvastatin, then it geared more towards rosuvastatin, and I think that was because it was supposed to have less of the side effects than the rest of them. So we have rosuvastatin. Okay, and then we have this one, which is pravastatin. It's probably one of the older ones that used to use. It used to be brand name Pravachol. It comes in 10, 20, 40, and 80 as well. I don't see this one prescribed as much as they used to prescribe it. But yeah, that's one. All right, and then the last one, of course, is honorable mention because they don't prescribe it that much anymore. I would see them probably starting somebody out on this who's probably never been on cholesterol medication to see if they can get by using this one. It's lovastatin, and it comes in 10, 20, and 40 milligram. So that's it for our lesson today. If you have any questions, you can comment below. If there's any drugs that you would like for me to go over with, you can comment below as well. Have a great day.